at me and squeeze me. What's up, guys? You already know who it is. It's your girl, Queen Kevin Short on it, and today, let me get some light in here. What's up, guys? You already know who it is. It's your girl, Queen Kevin Short on it, and today, I'm gonna only be eating red freaking food, y'all. Red freaking food. Okay, for 24 hours. Lunch, snack, and lunch and snack.
You know the difference of which is which.
And we're gonna be playing a game, which is which. So, this is an apple.
Yeah.
Okay. And this.
It's a pear.
I'm a little different, y'all. I'm sitting in the wrong freaking seat. My YouTube seat. Queen seat. Okay, so let's eat. So let's see what she got me. She got me some pears and some apples. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm done eating. Okay, guys, so I just got finished eating my fruit, my apples and my pears, peaches. And while I was doing that, I was watching. And some of you guys know this. Shout out to you guys. I know your coach has been a little rough on you, but side. Okay. Shout out to you and the other girl. Shout out to your coach too. You guys have been doing really good. I watched both of your episodes. Okay, so now, honey, I am good. Granny, can we go get the fruit? The other,
What?
the bring in the fruit. Dragon fruit.
Oh. Yeah, your auntie waiting on you. Call her and ask her, when can you come over?
You know, originally, that is for your basketball, but I go buy them. You're gonna use, that's the dry eraser you keep life with.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
You are supposed to eat
Oh, Lord.
Daddy.
Did you like the peach?
Yeah. I want to get one thing straight. A, that you and me and you are looking good. So, I'm going to be Callie. No. So, I'm right there at the shot. And then I got the ball. And then he's right there. And then JJ right there.
Broccoli, rice,
He said,
and meat and gravy. We are on hit.
Pass to me. And then I'm just going to go to a shot. And then there's two people right there. So I'm just going to dribble up there. And then they can do nothing about it. So I'll just give a shot. Oh! Yeah! They're the winners! Oh, the score was one thing. Hello.
Lily, come get your dragon fruits.
Okay, I was just talking about that.
Was you really? Okay. Well, meet me at the door.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Boy. Okay, let's go get my grapefruit.
Put your shoes on, you don't need running.
Okay.
Leave the door open.
That you and me and you are looking good. Papa, here you go while I take my grapefruit.
Here, put on some shoes and get on out of here.
Bye.
Praise God, babe. So fast, anyways. She's so fast. She is fast.
Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm going to see how the grapefruit tastes because it looks horrible. It looks like bugs in it. Okay, I really don't want to try it. I'm going to try it though. It smells disgusting too.
I'll break it down to you in a little bit. What you doing? Hold it. You supposed to peel something.
Okay, guys, I'm going to eat it.
What are you doing here?
Oh, it's horrible. I don't want to eat it. Oh my goodness.
Where's Daniels? Where is he?
I don't like it.
What it taste like? A dragon?
Yeah, a dragon.
You don't know no damn dragon.
Oh, that's what it looks like? Did you taste it yet? What it tastes like? Is it sweet?
Yeah. Tastes like a carrot.
Does it?
Taste it.
That's what it looked like.
Oh, and you took all that off.
No, Helen had cut it in half.
Oh,
She said because it costs $5, so
yeah.
she said she had to try the shit.
It's a dragon fruit, all right. Foreign. It's like a, what you call those things, the green thing?
No,
It's got the seeds in it like the green thing.
you're trying to see
I don't like it. I don't like it.
She don't like it.
Mm-mm.
She don't like it.
No, honey. I'm gonna put it
It's all right. They're just trying something.
what you gonna do with your paw?
this away for this away.
Huh? You gonna use it? Give it here.
I'm trying to send him a message.
Go away.
Anyway, this has a happy ending. Now, I guess it could bring
Go
me
away.
why.
Go away.
He wants revenge, and I know he realistically
Okay. So, it's disgusting. Just so you know, guys. That was all I had for this. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, comment. Love you guys. I'm still working on my intro. So, love you guys. For the whole world. I forgot a spot.
I know where Daniels is.
Okay. Love you guys. Bye. Let's get 3,000 likes. Then let's get subscribers to 1 million. No. 10 million. 10K, baby. 10 million. So love you guys. Bye.